Muzammil, do you know when our practicals will be conducted?
Yeah, I think on 14th of June. Are you prepared for practicals?
Yeah, I'm prepared.
Where was you going now?
I was going to a mobile shop for repairing my mobile.
Which problem it has?
Its panel has broken.
Why don't you buy a new mobile?
I can't afford a new mobile. So I will just repair my mobile.
Okay, as you wish. What you will do after practicals?
There are two things in my mind. I don't know which thing I have to do.
Which things are in your mind?
Actually, I was thinking that I have to do DIT or English language course.
Yeah, it's too difficult to choose one of them because these both are very important.
Yeah,
I have a suggestion for you. Join DIT now and learn English speaking from YouTube. You have no need to join any center for English.
yeah, that's right. Can I do DIT from YouTube?
No, DIT is all about practical. So there must be a tutor who guide us and give answers of our questions. Who will give you degree of DIT on YouTube? It's important to join a center or academy for DIT.
I got it now. What will you do?
I will just learn English from YouTube.
Nice. Do you watch movies?
Sometimes
Which movies? Pakistani or Indian?
both. Did you watch Jawani Fir Nahi Aani 2 movie?
No. Is it Indian movie?
No, it's Pakistani and it's very funny.
Mostly I watch Bollywood and South Indian movies.
Which is your favorite movie?
Three Idiots. You?
PK and Three Idiots. Both are my favorite.
Did you watch Parizad drama? How was it?
MashaAllah, for me it was the best drama. I have learned so many things from that drama.
Yeah, it taught us a lot. Ahde Wafa was also good.
Yeah, it was too good. Its story was on friendship. Which character is your favorite in that drama?
Muzammil, I love army. So Saad's character was my favorite. Your favorite character?
Hmm, my favorite character is Gulzar's character.
Yeah, it's also good and very funny.
Yeah,
What's time now?
It's 2 p.m.
Oh, Uncle Mujib's birthday party is at 3 p.m. We have to go now.
Okay, let's go.